Look at the front where it says Ames real big.
Well, hello everyone from the Steel City of Pittsburgh. I'm down here on the south side, right across the Ohio River, where the Allegheny and the Monongahela rivers meet to form the Ohio River. And right back there is Point State Park. You may have seen some of the Christmas videos I've done from down there with the big Christmas tree. But today I'm here because we have a train coming, and it's actually on its way right now here on CSX. Let's catch it. That was awesome. There's a look at the city. It's a picture perfect day down here. Perfect day to be downtown, to be out on the river. Look at the big yacht party they're having out there. Got a bunch of boats all strung together out there in the middle of the river. It looks like a great time. You got the boats there, the fountain is running. It's a great day to be outdoors. You know, even with where I'm standing on the other side of this fence, and the fact that the train was on the far track closer to the river, you could probably see it on camera as it was coming up the rails here, all the dust that was kicking up off of the coal. And I'll tell you, I feel like I'm covered in that stuff. I feel like I'm all dusty now, even though it doesn't look like it. I definitely feel like I'm covered in dust. But that's all right. Oh, wow, check that out. The Gateway Clipper fleet is running today, too. I believe that's the Princess right there. But anyway, yeah, it's a picture-perfect day out here. I really like it out here. Let's go check out that boat. A lot of people on there. I wish I was out on the water, I'll say that. I just enjoy coming down here, especially to this area right here. You have this parking area over here where the B is. In here, now it's paid parking, but if you're here for up to a couple of hours, it's only $5 to park there. And I mean, honestly, with me being here as short as I am, just to get a couple of trains and some pictures, they don't even really say anything if you just pull in here and park for a few minutes. Now, if I was parking and leaving, then yeah, I would pay, but we're only here for a little bit, so I could do this Railfan video for you guys. And wow, just get some of the sights down here of downtown Pittsburgh on a beautiful Sunday afternoon in early June like this. I would love to catch another CSX train. That's why I came down here. I've been getting a lot of Norfolk Southern locomotives and trains, and I'll tell you, as many times as I see trains on this rail line, that was the only one I've seen, and we've been here for about an hour. And in that time frame, up on the Norfolk Southern Mon line, which is up there, up on the hill, you got the Mon Incline, or the Duquesne Incline right there, or whatever, which one it is. Yeah, the Duquesne Incline, sorry. You have the Mon line for NS up there, and probably about 7 or 8 trains have come by in that time frame. And the only reason why I haven't filmed them is because, first of all, I'd be shooting into the sun, and I get bored with doing the same ones over and over all the time. It's like, I want to get CSX this time, so that'll be for another day. Maybe if the sun is down that way before it starts going into the evening hours like it is right now, we could get one. And I know somebody suggested I get a video from the Duquesne Incline, do a vlog from that, which I think would be a lot of fun. Let me know what you think if you'd like to see that, because I would definitely do that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this Railfan video. Kind of wish we would have got some more CSX action, but with how close this is to my home, I can come here whenever I want to. So, and now with this new camera, I plan on coming down here all the time. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a like. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content. On that note, Kayla and I are going to take off and take a little nice ride through the area and enjoy our Sunday afternoon before I have to go back to work in the morning. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, stay awesome, and have a Railfanlicious day. Go Steelers. We'll see you later. Bye, everybody.
Down by the railroad track, had an old wood stove in a one-room shack. Shoestring was the only name.